Okay. 5 spins. We finally got that spin the wheel quest to kick over. Mascot showing in the background, but what can I do about it? Two wanted posters. 2 bonus symbols will actually re-trigger free spins. Take them where I can get them. 1 free spin left. That's the TV. Let's see. Completed that quest. Please, will you please get me off of that slot machine? Your experience with Monopoly slots might be a little different. Apparently, they like to give me that slot machine all the time. As you see, my level's gone up to 102, and but I am slowly getting to the 16,000 bet level. I'm not winning a lot, but I'm not losing a lot either. Which means if I continue to actually press more hourly bonuses than I lose, I should continue to increase my prize pile. Hasn't been consistent. I actually did blow up my prize pile twice. I haven't done it in 3 days. So, but I should be okay now that I'm close to 16 million. So, when your point pile is small and you take a bigger bet, you run the risk of going to zero a lot faster. And yes, since my account did start showing up with these featured slots, unfortunately I did go up to the machines that started at 16,000 for a bet, and I lost twice. So I did put $20 into it. That may or may not be a good thing, but that's all I intend to put into it. Having a good time nonetheless. And then there's one more I can do. Go down to the Grand Hotel for 120. And then pick up that. And then we can get the Baltic Avenue locomotive unstuck from the syrup explosion that happened during the last episode. I believe we're still on that quest. No? That'll be 15 million is good enough for 1,000 spins at 15,000 bet. Why am I thinking about Valentine's Day? Maybe because I had something to do for Valentine's Day the last 3 years, and now all of a sudden I have nothing to do. I should be happy. Yeah, I should be happy. The other person wasn't happy. Even though they let me take them out 3 years in a row. Yeah, I know, guys. I know. Your uncle should know better, right? Are you kidding me? Jeez. Alright, does anybody want to see this? Yes. You see this little button that says free? Watch. New test. Are you sure? Yes. Replace. Okay, I can live with that. Super Grand Hotel does not irritate me just as much as Guns at Sunset. But at least I got an Ultimate Firelink slot machine in the bottom, which might be something better to look at. Anyway, the greenhouses that showed up 3 or 4 episodes ago, that does affect the Monopoly bucks. And today we have 3 of those greenhouses full. So we can accumulate more. Right now, this is for Lunar New Year down here. That's the event quest going on for the next 4 days. What we're going to do is we're going to unstuck that train at Baltic Avenue from last episode. By the time this is over, it'll be another 8-minute episode, so don't worry, everything's fine. Yeah, channel mascot's been yelling, I don't know. I can't get the wet food, dry food balance right. If we hadn't got that all cleared up as quick as we did, it could have been much worse. Picked up 40,000 Monopoly bucks for that. Monopoly coins. So we're back. People are coming from all over to see our delicious syrup factory. If there was only a way, to capitalize on the popularity. There's only one thing to do when you have this extra syrup. Make pancakes. I don't understand that. Potato pancakes? Hire a pancake chef. A who? Pancake chef. Hire a manager to get the pancake stand up and running. 18 Monopoly bucks. That'll be in the next episode. For my nieces, nephews, and everybody else who might actually like watching this series, Romo Vlogs, and we'll see you next time.